Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a case review for you all to check out. This one is coming from Ringke. We want to thank them in the door for sponsoring this video and for sending these awesome cases over for review. So if you're looking for some protection for your Galaxy Note 10, your Galaxy Note 10 Plus, your Galaxy Note 10 5G, then you want to watch this video. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's get this show on the road. First case, it's going to be the Smoke Black. This is the Fusion Edition from Ringke. This one's going to cost you $10.99 on Amazon.com. I will leave a link for all three cases that we're going to review today for you all to check out. Now, inside, you're going to get where it says remove the outside film. We did that already to make for a quick and fast video. And you get some coupons with this one as well, 20% off on Amazon. So make sure you don't throw that away. Now, I like this Smoke Black case. It's smoke blacked out all the way around. Now your ports, we're going to check to see if those are precise. Same thing for the top ports as well. Your volume button, your power button. But what I like about this case is that it does have a military grade feel to it. Very strong. This glass feels almost like tempered glass. It's very nice. Feels good in the hand already. But let's go ahead. Let's put this case on. Let's get out of here. And what I like about it thus far, it fits really snug as well. Looks very nice. Has a premium feel to it as well. Adds a little bit of weight, just a little bit. Volume button, ports at the top, ports at the bottom. Everything seems to fit precise. Let's go ahead and pull this out. S Pen. You can get to that very easily. Very, very nice. Let's check out the power button. That works. Volume rocker works. Not bad. Throw it on the ground. The raise on this is very nice. So you can drop it on the table if you want to. You got to go somewhere. You got to do something. You need to drop it down real quick. It's going to protect the screen. Not bad. Let's see if it charges through the case. No problem. Quick charge. It's on. So this one is nice. $10.99. This is not a bad deal. It's going to show off your phone color, whether it's black, white, or you got the Aura Glow like I got. That's going to be a nice deal. Not bad at all for the price. Again, what do you think? All right, you all, let's check out case number 2. All right, you all, let's check out case number 2. Now, case number 2 is another Fusion Edition, and this is a clear case. It's not going to be smoked out like the first one, but let's open this up, take a closer look at it. Now, you're going to get the same information, of course, your coupon for Amazon for your next case, on your next case, Ringke case, and also you're going to get the information about taking the film out. Now, this case is nice. It's not smoked out like the first one, but it looks exactly like it. Reinforced corners. I like the durability of this one. Now, you're going to pay $10.99 for this one on Amazon.com, which I think is a good deal, especially if you're looking for something that's going to protect your phone. But let's go ahead. Let's put this in. But first, the ports, top and bottom. Going to see if those line up. Got your rocker button. That's clear. Again, I'm liking that this fits in really snug and tight. You also, once again, get that premium look and feel out of this. Feels nice. The ports line up at the bottom. Also at the top. Get your volume rocker, power button. Let's check out the power button. Off, on, volume rocker. Very tactile. That works. Not bad. Not bad. Feels tough. And it looks good, right? So if I lay it down, of course, it's got some rays on the front lip and the bottom lip. As you can see, not bad at all. But again, what's important, does it work on wireless charging? Wireless charging is a go with no problem. So what do you think? Me personally, I like the feel of this. This is going to show out your case very nicely. And it's also going to give you some protection on your camera lens as well when you lay it down on the back. So I thought this was a good deal. But at the end of the day, it's going to always be about you. All right, let's go on and check out case number 3. All right, you all, let's check out the last case. Now, this one here is the Fusion X design called Camel Black. Now, you're going to be able to get this one and count them up. 4 different colors in all. This one is nice. Let's take this out of the package. Now, all your cases are going to be military grade, which is going to give you the highest protection that a case can get. Now, of course, it tells you about the film. I took that out already. Of course, you got your 20% off coupon for Amazon. And let's look at this case. Now, this case is nice. $12.99 for this case opposed to the other two. Look at the design. It's a lot different. The style is different. The protection is nice on here. You can see the reinforced corners. Very nice. I like the feel of this. You get a military look. Now, it's got some type of material on here that's nice. I like the fact that it's going to protect the case when you lay it down. Not bad at all. You get to cut out for your camera. You cut out for your ports. I love the design of this as well down at the bottom. Same thing for the top. We're going to check that out. Volume rocker. Let's put this in the case. Now, again, you get this snug feel when you put it in, and I really like that because it makes it feel really, really solid and protected. So if you drop it again, it's not going to fall out the case, right? So this is cool. I like the feel of it already. I like the look of the oil glow shining through this one. So if you got a black phone, a blue phone, it's going to show differently, but you're still going to have this military look and this rugged design that's on the back. It's not overpowering or anything like that, but it really, really looks nice. Now, your protection so far as the raise is concerned, that's what you're going to get. So if you put it down, you're going to be all good. And also you get your port cutouts. Seems like everything is matching up. Your pin comes right out. No problem. And the top. So everything matches up. I like the feel of this one. I've never had a rugged case before, so I'm loving this one. This one's going to get airtime tomorrow. So this is nice. Again, you get 4 colors in this one. This one's going to cost you $12.99. And again, all the cases are military grade. You're going to feel the solidness when you hold this in your hand. But of course, let's check out and see if it's going to charge through. No problem, charges very quickly. So what do you think? I'm liking the look. I'm liking the extra protection with the camera because it raises it just that much more. Nice. The design is on point. Ringke did an excellent job with this case. All right, but at the end of the day, it's all about you. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.